بھارت کے ساتھ ہم اچھے تعلقات کے خواہ ہیں، لیکن مسئلہ کشمیر کے منصفانہ حل تک پائیدار امن قائم نہیں ہو سکتا۔
For 7 decades, India has defied the will of United Nations, and for 7 decades, India has used repression to silence the voice of Kashmiris. Indian democracy is known less for its rights and freedoms, and more for its repression and brutality. India today is a threat to its minorities, to its neighbors, to its region, and to itself.
India's illegal and unilateral actions of 5th August 2019 to alter the demographic structure of the occupied territory further undermined the prospects of peace. In a classic settler colonial project, India is seeking to turn the Muslim majority Jammu and Kashmir into a Hindu territory. The Pakistani people have always stood by our Kashmiri brothers and sisters in complete solidarity and will continue to do so no matter what, until their right to self-determination